Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, here we will present a book and little it, Understanding Architecture Through Drawings. Second edition, Brian Edwards. By Group 4. And I will introduce my friend one meeting and myself. My name is Alvina Pratiwi and my friend Rizkan Karima HM, Zeus Angelio Mandala, Yuri Ramadian Syaratri, Nadira Syatsa Izdihar. Okay, chapter 1, Introduction. So here the Earth's background. The act of drawing is an important starting point for the intellectual process we call design. To be able to draw carriers or buildings is a prerequisite for anyone who wants to design such things. Drawing has the foundation for the designer will allow him to record and analyze a lighting example, and sketching provides a medium for testing the appearance of some imagined object. Next, problem formulation. The first are elaborate perspective drawings used to communicate design ideas to clients or planning authorities. And preliminary design investigation explore construction method that's the child visual effects set the design in the physical context. And the next material. Here there is purpose. Drawing is technique that allow the visual work to be understood. It is confession based on a level of aberration and analysis that focus the main of aesthetic fields, whereas number are useful to economists, whereas to politicians and poets line are what artists and designers use. And the next material will be by my friend.
Thank you. I will continue the material. Chapter 2, discussion about why draw. Not only is drawing more fun and far more educational, but the final product is more likely to remain a valuable object than animal slides or photographic prints. Skills described in this book under simple headings such as shading, line weight, composition, and perspective rules. Next, two images communication. A drawing is a construction that starts in the architect's mind and becomes real on paper, where it can be shared with others and developed further. To be a building, there is a participation. And it's not uncommon to find that you can confident drawing and be happy with the result, or feel like you have learned from experience. Sketching should be both fun and educational, and but can be helped by a little contemplative piece. The next material will be below by my friend.
Okay, thank you. I wanna we continue the material for by my friend. Okay, the material 3, choose a subject. The first point, what is the best drawing material for the internet sketch? The second point, where should you draw from? And the 3 point, what time of day is best for sketching, remembering? And the last point, pay attention to the angle of light, especially sunlight. What is the best position to highlight the character of the subject and produce an interesting composition? The next material, understanding perspective. An understanding perspective is essential to gaining a full appreciation of the aesthetic qualities of the city, and it's necessary to be able to draw it well. Discovery of the correct perspective is one of the high perspective that becomes an obstacle to learning the simple points of Renaissance art. Few artists work on the principles of perspective. Single point perspective is the easiest to use in the field and most useful for urban and landscapes image. To point perspective tends to focus the eye on object rather than on the subspace between them. Okay, the next material will be below by my friend.
Thank you. I will continue the materials. 5. Line and shadows. Sketching the outline of an object can result in somewhere unattractive and abstract image. Although people may recognize the shape of a house, its value to us as object is determined by matter of form, texture, and arrangement. These qualities are best represented not only by lines but through line and shadows. 6. In general, fine cartridge sketchbook of the Dell type are best for line work in pens, rugged paper for pencil line work, and strong watercolor paper for paint on color markers. 7. The importance of practice. Practice doesn't require you to spend all your time drawing locations, and the importance of the spontaneous and relaxed drawing cannot be overemphasized. The next material will be below to my friend.
Okay. Number 8, from sketching to planning and documentary investigation. Here you should use more technical drawing preparation. As with sketching, there are some useful tips for determining the height of the door according to your reach. In mind, if you are measuring an object, ask someone else to hold the end of the tape measure, and preferably a third person reach of the measuring mind. Your task then is to draw and record the measuring mind. Your sketches and plans are really record of fake of or your interpretation to them. They are not more speculation or strange discoveries. If you want to move on to decide change, there are invention must be well demonstrated. Number 9, sequential sketch. Sketching is about exploration, about learning to see place to architecture, through graphic experience. To draw a historical city with the main public monument as the focus, you must sketch the direct influence of the monument, a glimpse of the monument on the roof or along the road. Monuments are not allowed yet completely in view. A view showing most or all the monument in its setting. Close-up view of the monument with strays, railing, and human activity around it.
Okay, that's it. The presentation from our group. More or less, please forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.